Today we're going to learn the half double crochet slip stitch. So just like you would when you're doing a normal half double crochet, you're going to yarn over, insert your hook through the fabric, pull up a loop. But instead of yarning over, you're just going to go ahead and pull that loop through the other two loops on your hook. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, and then pull that loop through the other two loops. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, then pull it through the other two loops. We'll do that a couple of more times just so you can see it. Yarn over, pull up a loop, then pull it through both loops. Now, sometimes you can see what's easier for you. Sometimes it's easier for me to tilt the hook forward and pull it through the other two loops, but you can also turn your hook backwards to pull it through the loops. Just whatever doesn't get hung up for you. Okay. And we'll do that a couple more times just so you can see it. Alright, and that is what a half double crochet slip stitch looks like. Now what if you have a back loop only half double crochet slip stitch? So you're going to yarn over, insert your hook in the middle of that little V, okay, right there on the top, and pull up a loop and then pull it through the other two. So you're just going under the back loop. Don't go under the front loop as well, just the back loop. So you're going basically in the middle of that V that's on the top. If you want to do a front loop only, you're just going to go under that front loop of the V. Okay, so you'll be going kind of from the front instead of the back. You have your regular half double crochet slip stitch, your back loop only half double crochet slip stitch, and your front loop only half double crochet slip stitch.